Hello world, in this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to configure Zcash donation widget on our website. The donation widget follows the implementation of Zcash Improvement Proposal 321. It's a way to encode payment information into a URI that can be easily shared and used by wallet softwares. The donation widget that we're going to be using follows this zip 321 payment request URI for Zcash, which literally is a link that contains the address of the Zcash wallet you want to receive the payment to, the amount of money you want to receive, and possibly other details such as a label or a memo of the transaction. Without no further ado, I'll go straight into it. I have a React app here that I have set up the donation widget on. I'm going to start up my app. This is basically what you get, a QR code which the user donating to you just have to do is to copy the QR code or the wallet address attached to it. Here we have the range with which they can use to specify the amount they want to donate to you. You can decide to click the button options here. For this we have 0.25 zik up onto 5 zik. When the user is done with that, if the user scan this QR code, plus, the word is plus, should the user have a Zcash wallet that implements the zip 321 standard, automatically that wallet should be opened on their phone containing your Zcash address that you have configured with this component. Assuming the user comes to your site and you've configured this component, if the user clicks to copy, they will get this feedback Zcash address copied to clipboard. Should they click on OK, because I have a Zcash wallet installed on my system, I'm getting this notification, open Y wallet, requesting that Y wallet should be open to continue this transaction. I'm going to go ahead to open Y wallet, click on this and wait on my Y wallet to open. And here we are. As you could see, automatically the address with which I configure the component, it's already set in here. I don't need to do manual copy and paste of address. As well, the amount I chose at the site, which was 0.25, automatically is here already. If I go ahead to click on send, this value, this what amount will be sent to this particular address. And before I do that, I want to take us back to where this address is and how I managed to configure the component. Close this. The component itself is this. Open it up. Briefly, we can see what the whole component is. It's actually a React component. This here where I have Zcash address is where I paste my Zcash address, which actually is I'll get this open again. It's one of my wallets here. I have two wallets here. We could see the dev mainnet as well as the donation point. This is the wallet I used here, and if you check the balance, what I do have here is $0. If you could see the address here, if I copy the address here, I come in here, delete this out and paste in again. As I've done that, my React app has refreshed. So if I continue, I need to change my account back to the account where I have a little font. Here I have $4.39. I'll go back. I could even close this again. Now if I'm on the website and I decide to copy the wallet, and I'm going to send 0.1, which is roughly $2.75. A memo, just a donation, and send. Okay, transaction is sending. So I'm going to wait pending when blockchain are synced and go back to the other wallet to confirm the funds over there. Alright, to confirm if the funds we donated has been received at the other end of the account, we'll go straight forward to check to it. I'll click on this OK. I will change back to donation point, and we received 0.1 Zcash, which is roughly $2.75. And if you could also confirm, is the wallet address I used here, I copied from here and used for this component. At the moment, the component resides in zhub wiki website, but I believe in a few weeks I'm certain the team would extract this component into its own standalone component, probably make it an npm package, or just host it on GitHub, where you can individuals who want to configure it on their site can easily just go there, copy the URL, or just go to npm and probably do npm install Zcash donation widget. I hope this brief comes for us to understand how easy it is for you to accept Zcash as a donation on your website via this component. Thanks guys, and see you in another video. Bye.